Fortinet FCSS _SOC and 7.4 exam dumps questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. What is a primary advantage of mapping adversary behaviors to MITRE ATT and CK tactics within Security Operations Center, Society, activities? A. Reducing reliance on outside consultants. B. Strengthening proactive security defenses. C. Simplifying software development workflows. D. Boosting the organization's public image. The answer is B. Mapping adversary behaviors to the MITRE ATT and CK framework helps society teams understand attacker tactics and techniques, enabling them to improve detection, response, and prevention strategies, thereby strengthening overall security posture. When designing a reliable Forti analyzer deployment, which factor plays the most important role? A. The physical location of the servers. B. The version of the client software. C. The ability to scale storage and processing capacity. D. The design and color scheme of the user interface. The answer is C. A stable Forti analyzer deployment depends heavily on having sufficient and scalable storage and processing resources to handle large volumes of logs and analysis tasks efficiently, ensuring consistent performance as data grows. How does efficient management of connectors impact incident management in society automation? A. It reduces the effectiveness of communication channels. B. It streamlines incident handling by automating data exchange. C. It increases reliance on manual, paper-based reports. D. It lessens the need for cybersecurity training. The answer is B. Proper management of connectors enables automated and seamless data sharing between security tools and platforms, which accelerates incident detection, investigation, and response in a society environment. This automation reduces manual effort and improves overall efficiency in handling security incidents. What is the impact of well-managed connectors on the overall security posture of a security operations center, society? A. They reduce the necessity for physical security controls. B. They increase the workload for society analysts. C. They improve the integration and coordination among various security tools and platforms. D. They make the incident response process more complicated. The answer is C. Effectively managed connectors enable seamless communication and data sharing between different security solutions within the society. This integration enhances visibility, accelerates incident detection and response, and strengthens the overall security posture by creating a more unified and efficient defense system. Which configuration change would improve data throughput efficiency in a Forti analyzer deployment? A. Lowering security settings. B. Reducing the number of backup locations. C. Increasing the number of collectors. D. Decreasing the report generation frequency. The answer is C. Adding more collectors allows Forti analyzer to distribute incoming data load more effectively, enhancing throughput and overall system performance. This helps manage large volumes of log data efficiently. Options A and B don't directly improve throughput, and while D may reduce system load, it doesn't optimize data ingestion or processing as effectively as increasing collectors. Why is it important to regularly monitor the performance of SOC playbooks? A. It improves the SOC's social media engagement. B. It ensures playbooks remain effective against new and evolving threats. C. It eliminates the need for cybersecurity insurance. D. It increases the burden on society personnel. The answer is B. Regularly monitoring playbook performance helps society teams identify any gaps or inefficiencies, allowing them to update and optimize playbooks so they can effectively respond to the latest cyber threats. This keeps automation relevant and improves incident response outcomes. You are unable to view any incidents or events on 4D Analyzer. What is the most likely cause of this issue? A. 4D Analyzer is operating in collector mode. B. 4D Analyzer is operating as a fabric supervisor. C. 4D Analyzer must be in a fabric atom. D. There are no open security incidents and events. The answer is A. When 4D Analyzer is in collector mode, it only collects and forwards logs to an analyzer. It does not analyze, correlate, or display logs, incidents, or events. To view incidents and events, 4D Analyzer must operate in analyzer mode or standalone mode. Which of the following elements are essential for an effective Security Operations Center, Society, report? Select 3 options. A. A detailed analysis of every individual log event. B. A summary of security incidents and their current status. C. Recommendations to enhance the organization's security posture. D. Quarterly marketing performance data. E. Clear action items for follow-up activities. The answer is BCE. An effective society report should summarize key incidents and their current remediation status. B. Offer recommendations for improving security based on analysis findings. C. Include actionable next steps to ensure continuous improvement. E. Option A is impractical. Analyzing every log is excessive and overwhelming. Option D is unrelated to security operations. What is a key factor to consider when configuring connectors within a society playbook? A. Ensuring compatibility with external marketing platforms. B. Creating an attractive and user-friendly interface. C. Enabling seamless data exchange between security tools. D. Reducing physical server footprint. The answer is C. Connectors in society playbooks are used to integrate and automate interactions between different security systems, e.g., firewalls, SIEM, ticketing systems. Ensuring efficient and reliable data flow is critical for enabling automated detection, response, and remediation workflows. How do playbook templates benefit society operations? A. By providing standardized responses to common security scenarios. B. By reducing the need for IT personnel. C. By increasing the complexity of incident response. D. By serving as a decorative element in the SOC. The answer is A. Playbook templates in society operations help by offering predefined workflows for common incidents, e.g., malware detection, phishing. Ensuring consistency and repeatability in how incidents are handled. Accelerating response times and reducing human error.